Welcome back. Today we bring you another informative video. We will be talking about cost effectiveness and high-quality cabling. Investing in high-quality cabling can be one of the most cost-effective decisions for businesses looking to build a reliable infrastructure. While cheaper, lower-grade cabling may seem like an attractive option initially, the long-term expenses associated with frequent repairs, replacements, and downtime can quickly add up. High-quality cables, such as those designed for advanced network performance and durability, are built to withstand wear and tear, reducing the risk of unexpected failures. This means less need for constant maintenance, fewer disruptions to business operations, and significantly lower repair costs over time. Moreover, quality cabling is designed to meet the demands of modern technology, supporting higher data speeds and bandwidth for years to come. This eliminates the need for frequent upgrades as your business grows, further cutting down on costs associated with replacing outdated or underperforming equipment. By investing in durable, reliable cabling from the start, businesses not only save money but also improve the efficiency and longevity of their network infrastructure, ultimately delivering a greater return on investment. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Also call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com. See you in the next video.